Welcome. I'm AJ and this is Absolute Drinks with AJ. So today we're gonna make Appletini my way. It's a very sour drink and you get a nice color. The vodka really comes through. I would serve this before dinner or to people who really like that sour sting. The story behind this is I was working my first job at a bar. A nice old lady came up to me and she ordered Appletini. And I had no idea how to make it. I just grabbed whatever I had that was apple, which I found was a very green, sour apple liqueur that had this nice green color. And then I thought, what else is there in Appletini? And I said, probably vodka and lemon. So that's how we're gonna make it. We're gonna ice it up. And we're gonna start with 1 milliliter of lemon, but we're doing 2 drinks. So 2 mils of the lemon. There we go. Get that in there. And then we're gonna grab our green apple liqueur. We're gonna do 2 per drink, so that's 4. There we go. And then to the start, the vodka. We're also gonna do 2 milliliters per drink.
Making shots, AJ.
I'm making shots! So apparently milliliters is not centiliters. So let's start over. So we're gonna have 1 centiliter per drink, and as we're making 2, that's 2 centiliters. And then we're gonna do 2 centiliters per drink, so that's 4 centiliter of this green apple liqueur that is very sour in itself. So that's 4. And then the vodka, we're gonna do the same amount as the apple liqueur. We're gonna do 2 centiliters per drink, so that's 4. There we go. Then we're just gonna shake it. And you can see when you see the consistensen, when you can see the condensation, when you can see the condensation coming out, you've shaken it really hard and the drink is cold. So here we go, and let's get the glasses. So these has just been in the fridge for a couple of minutes. Stick your strainer on there and we're gonna double strain it as it's served in a nice martini glass. And you can see the nice green color just really coming through. And you can serve it like this, or in case you have apples at home, like don't go buy apples just for the garnish. But if you have an apple at home, just get 2 nice slices there and just stick them on. You can see how the glass is starting to like defrost. You have the nice green touch from the apple liqueur. So let's taste it. Nice. So when I served it to this lady, she never had it this way before. Obviously, she came back and I tried to hide, but there was nowhere to go. Then she ended up ordering like 5 more, and of course, I didn't know what I'd done, so I just made up 5 new drinks. At that time, I had no idea what I was doing at the bar. I just made up drinks as I went. Most people actually liked them, so my amateur take on the Appletini. So if you want to see more content like this, how we make the Appletinis, like, subscribe, and follow the channel.